Hi guys! If you're looking for a chill, cozy at sulit na kainan dito sa Batangas City, especially pang barkada, family, pang magjowa, or workmates, this place is for you. Stephanie's Bar and Restaurant. Located at Abbas Block, RBD Makuha Building, Port Diversion Road, Balagtas, Batangas City. Madali lang hanapin kasi katabi lang to ng Total Gas Station. Hindi ka maliligaw. Pagpasok mo palang mararamdaman mo na agad yung calm at cozy vibe. Hindi maingay, hindi masikip. Very relaxing yung atmosphere at perfect talaga siya kung gusto mo lang mag-unwind or makapagkwentuhan with your friends. Ang sarap lang magstay dito ng matagal, no pressure. By the way guys, pwede rin siyang working space. May free wifi kaya sobrang bagay siya sa students, freelancers or kahit may deadline ka na kailangang tapusin. Plus, spacious ang parking kaya hindi ka na mag-worry kung saan ka magpa-park. Now, let's talk about the best part, food and drinks. Ito na yung inaabangan ng lahat, unlimited rice and drinks. Sulit na siya kasi madami tong kasama. Perfect talaga pang barkada, pang family at pang busog levels. Napakarami talaga ng pagkain ino-offer dito at napaka-affordable din ng price. Hindi masakit sa bulsa. By the way guys, may full bar din sila. May cocktails, beers, and refreshing drinks. At kung may event kayo, pwede rin silang i-rent for corporate meetings, intimate wedding receptions, birthdays, anniversaries, or kahit anong okasyon meron kayo, pwede dito. And this Oreo Matcha Taro sobrang creamy, unique, and fun yung lasa. Ito nga pala yung strawberry cocoa. Very warming and relaxing yung feeling kapag ininom mo to. Strawberry matcha, refreshing at smooth ang lasa. For something lighter then let's have Caesar salad, fresh yung greens, creamy at balancing yung dressing. Super juicy din ang meat, ang sarap. Eto na, braised pork ribs. Sobrang lambot niya, yung sauce rich and flavorful pero hindi overpowering. Next is the deviled egg. Ito yung sakto sa timpla. Hindi nakakaumay, very creamy and smooth. Ang gaan sa panlasa. Next is Japanese maki. Fresh na fresh yung lasa at very clean yung flavors. Hindi tinipid, sobrang sarap talaga. Alam mo, kahit hindi ka talaga mahilig sa sushi, talagang mapapa-order ka nito dahil sobrang yummy. And for dessert, white chocolate ganache. Sweet siya, pero hindi sobra. Smooth, creamy, and perfect. Pagkatapos ng meal, the best talaga to. Open sila daily from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. Payment method, super convenient. Pwede yan GCash, cash, at bank transfer. Napakaganda talaga ng place na to. Napaka-Instagrammable din. So if you're looking for a calm, cozy, at chill na place, whether kakain ka, mag-work, or magsa-celebrate ng special occasion, then Stephanie's Bar and Restaurant is definitely worth visiting. For orders and reservations, pwede kayo mag-message sa Facebook page nila. Don't forget to like this video, follow their Facebook page, Stephanie's Bar and Restaurant, and share this with your friends na gusto mong isama dito. See you on the next food trip!